Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is regarding NEET UG 2025 exam. So NEET exam is scheduled for May 4th, 2025, that is Sunday, and the timings are 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The admit cards will be released on 1st May 2025. City intimation slip will release on 26th April 2025. So the date for last payment and application correction window, all this is closed. So the results tentative date is here, that is 14 June 2025, but it is tentative, so it might change. And yes, the results would be available on neet.nta.nic.in. The expected cutoff for general category is around 720 to 162, while for OBC, SC, ST categories, it is expected to be around 161 to 127. For PWD general, it is 161 to 144, and PWD reserved, it is 143 to 127. Now, other important information regarding this is minimum qualifying marks. For general category, it is 50 percentile. For OBC, SC, ST categories, it is 40 percentile. Counseling mostly happens in the month of July 2025. Now, what is the purpose for writing this exam? It is an entrance. It is a gateway to medical education. If anyone wants to become a doctor and pursue MBBS, that is Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, or they want to apply for BDS, that is Bachelor of Dental Surgery, or Ayush, that is Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. So for all such courses, they have to write the entrance exam, that is NEET. It's a nationwide exam, means all India exam, conducted by the NTA, that is National Testing Agency. Now the exam paper pattern and structure for NEET. Subjects are, this exam covers physics, chemistry and biology, botany and zoology. This exam consists of multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. Now the marking scheme, each correct answer carries 4 marks and there is a negative marking of -1 for each incorrect answer. The exam duration is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. Total questions are 180 with 45 questions each from physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. Total marks or maximum marks for NEET are 720. Eligibility criteria is that minimum age requirement for the candidate is 17 years, that is on the specified date, means on the exam day the student he or she has to be 17 years. And there is no upper age limit for appearing in this exam. Now who can write this exam? The candidates who are appearing or have appeared in the 12th grade may apply for NEET. Candidates can attempt NEET as many times as they wish until they attain the maximum age limit. Now the importance and benefits of writing NEET is that the students who will qualify for NEET exam will get an equal opportunity to secure a seat in any medical college in any state. Now the information that I'm going to give is for the students who are willing to take BPC as a stream in intermediate. They are still thinking of joining the colleges. So the application fee for NEET exam of 2025 for general and for NRI students was 1,700. For general EWS, OBC, NCL, it was 1,600. For SC, ST, PWBD, third gender, it was 1000, and candidates outside India, it was 9500. So students, if there is a will, there is a way. Nothing is impossible. It all depends on your perseverance, determination and hard work. All the best in advance to all the students appearing for NEET 2025. May you all pass with flying colors and qualify for MBBS.